spinning.
Where's it gonna be? I don't know.
Let's see.
Card.
Is the card. I forget what the card is.
I don't. I do. It's
Kath, you need help?
Can you help her open it?
Yeah.
Cameron, thank you.
Okay.
Maybe even read it for her. But let her open it.
There, you want to try and open it from there? Here. Here. Now, here, Kathy, just pull it out.
Read it for her.
Open it. Says, enjoy your birthday, amigo.
Yeah.
If you know what I mean.
You gotta dance, Kathy. Yeah, show her how to do the tequila dance, guys.
No, like this, Kathy. Kathy, like this.
Yeah. Yeah.